In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Blobs Figma plugin to create unique organic shapes in just a few clicks. This is a super useful trick if you want to add more personality to your UI designs, social media graphics, landing pages, or presentation layouts without drawing shapes manually. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Figma and go to the Actions icon at the bottom of the toolbar. When that menu opens, select Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can access installed plugins and search for new ones inside Figma. Now, in the search bar, type Blobs. Once it appears in the results, run the plugin. After it opens, you'll see the main controls that let you generate custom blob-style vector shapes right inside your design file. The first setting you want to look at is the complexity slider. This controls how many anchor points and corner details the shape will have. If you move it higher, the blob becomes more detailed and intricate. If you move it lower, the shape becomes simpler and smoother. This is great if you want different levels of visual complexity depending on the style of your project. Next, adjust the Uniqueness slider. This controls the organic variation and randomness of the silhouette. In other words, this is what makes each blob feel more natural and less uniform. Increase it if you want a more irregular, abstract look. Lower it if you want something a little more controlled and consistent. Take a moment to play around with both sliders until you find a shape that fits your design. The nice thing about the Blobs plugin is that you can quickly generate multiple variations without having to build them from scratch. That makes it perfect for backgrounds, feature cards, icons, overlays, and decorative elements. When you're happy with the shape, simply click Insert. The plugin will place the custom SVG vector shape directly onto the center of your design board. From there, you can resize it, recolor it, duplicate it, or combine it with other elements in your layout. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to open the Blobs plugin, adjust the complexity and uniqueness, and insert a custom vector blob into your Figma design. It's fast, easy, and a great way to make your designs feel more dynamic and modern. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple design tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you more Figma plugins that save time and make your workflow easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.